Hi everyone, I am Nathalie and today I'm gonna guide you through a 3D dressmaking on Audaces Fashion Studio. If you haven't downloaded yet, make sure to download the freemium version clicking on the link below. The fun part of it is you don't need previous knowledge of 2D patterning to create on Audaces Fashion Studio because you create directly on an avatar. So let's get started. To start the creation of our dress, let's click on Start Creating. Then you must select the avatar you want to work with. The mannequin will be shown in the workspace. Click with the right mouse button and drag to spin it and have a 360 view. To zoom in a specific area, move the cursor there and scroll the mouse wheel. To move the mannequin over the workspace, click and drag it to wherever you want. To start designing a dress, first activate the symmetry plan, clicking here. Now you can view a symmetrical plan and everything that is made in a side is duplicated in the other. The next step is to limit the workspace. For that, you must click the tab Creation and then the Cut with Ring tool. When you put the cursor over the body, the main yellow ring appears. With the mouse wheel, you can increase and decrease the size of the ring. If you click with the left mouse button, you select, and with the right mouse button, you confirm. Now you have separated the bottom and the top parts of the clothing with the cut ring. Select the front part, use again the cut with ring, increase the ring size scrolling the mouse wheel, and to spin the angle to create the armholes, I'll press Ctrl and two angle rings will appear. The blue ring is to move left or right, and the red ring is to move up or down. The main angle is the yellow ring. Click, hold, and drag to move the blue ring, and to move it through the mannequin, you just need to release the Ctrl key. Click where you want to make the cut and click with the right mouse button to confirm. Select both sleeves pressing Shift while clicking them and press the Delete key or the trash can icon in the right sidebar. Also delete the bottom part. Now you have only the body to work, so you're going to need more fabric to make the dress. For that, you must use the pinch tool with the ring tool, define the radial growth at the minimum, click at the top shirt bottom line, click, hold and drag it down in the central angle. To make it tighter, use the smooth tool with a bigger ring that you increase with the mouse wheel. Increase the tool strength. Click, hold and drag over the mannequin. After using the tool, you're going to cut your dress length. To view it better, you must use this tool wireframe mode and have a better notion of the cut length. Click with the left mouse button, confirm with the right mouse button, and now your dress is already cut. Now you're going to cut the top part. The chest cut, the side cut, and the front-back division cut. Use the Cut with Ring tool, make the top part cut. Then you're going to make the side cut, but first you have to enable the real fabric looseness. For that, you must click Simulate in Gravity, and then the fabric will become loose. To adapt the fabric to the body, you can click, hold, and drag with the left mouse button and modify the knit. Click again to stop gravity. To make the dress side, you are also going to use the Cut with Ring tool. Put it in the central axis, increase the ring size, press Ctrl, use the red tool, and when it reaches the straight angle, the ring will stuck. Click with the left mouse button and confirm with the right mouse button. Select only the front part. Now that both parts are separated, I'm going to disable the symmetry plan. Now you're going to make the slit cut. For that, you must use the Cut with Curve tool. Use the Shift key next to the line. Release the Shift to easier move the line. Click above with the left mouse button and make the separation here to make the slit. Press the Ctrl key to modify the stints. Click, hold and drag. Press Shift to get next to the line, click with the left mouse button and confirm with the right mouse button. To remove the slit peak, use the smooth tool with a small ring. Click, hold, and drag over the line. It will become round. After making the slit, click on it and delete to make the slit. Now you must cut the slit limit. For that, use Cut tool, click with the shift next to this line and also click with shift next to the other line. After selecting the line, confirm with the right mouse button. Now you're going to make the top part. The knit adapts itself to the body form. Then you must mold it. For that, you must use the pinch tool in the chest center. Click, hold, and drag. Then use the smooth tool to merge it better and give the sensation of fabric here in the top. Now the same tool you used to make the slit in the bottom part, you're going to use to make the strap cut. Then you're going to enable the symmetry plan and then use the tool Cut with Curve. After making the cut, delete the unwanted parts. Here, make the strap separation cut, and you are almost finishing the dress base. Click the Flip Vertically button. You can reverse the texture position and modify and edit the texture according to what you want. Select the body part and also cut it in the side. So select the body part with the cut with ring. Spin the ring to the red position and make the cut. Now you must apply the top stitch. Select the lines with the Ctrl key, and to select more than one line, press both Shift and Ctrl keys at the same time. After selecting the lines that are going to have the top stitches, select the Application tab, click the Seam and Zipper button, select the type of seam that you want and click Apply. In the preview, you can change seam directions, size, spacing, and other traits. And now you can apply the print over the dress. Select all the meshes in the Mesh tab. In the right side column, open the Application tool, click Fabric Pattern, select the print you want and click Open. Now resize the print to fit the dress, and now you can reorganize the print. Select the part you want to move and click the Move button. To finish the dress, open the Borders tab, select all the meshes clicking below and dragging up, or clicking on the first mesh and shift-clicking on the last, and removing the lines visualization. Now you have a more realistic view of your dress. To appear the inside part of your slit, select all the meshes and click on the Shirt button. Now you can apply different colors to the inside part. Click OK and your dress is done.
Alright, now you have your cute 3D dress that you can change colors, prints, textures, and so on. Free your imagination and play around. I'll see you on our next tutorial. Bye!